Hey guys, if the water coming out of your Delta Multichoice is either a little bit too hot or a little bit too cold, I'm going to show you how to adjust it, and all you need is an Allen wrench and about 30 seconds. Let me show you how to do it. So we have our valve right here. What you're going to want to do is go ahead underneath with an Allen wrench and go ahead and loosen this to the point where you can remove it. So we have this off now. And what that's going to reveal is what you're seeing right here. As you can see, there's a hotter and there's a colder right there. So to adjust this, you're going to go ahead and pull out. So essentially, you're going to pull out and then twist this depending on what your need is. So in my case, my shower is a little bit colder than I would like. So I want it to be a little bit hotter. So I'm going to pull it out and then I'm going to move it towards the hotter side. Whoops, slip there. So pull it out and then move it to the hot side. So as you can see, right now, I've moved all of the threads over to the left so that it's the hottest possible. And that's really all there is to it. So you just pull out, and then twist as you need. If you need it to be colder, obviously you pull out and you move it the other way such that it's all the way to the cold side. But we need it hot. We're gonna pull out, rotate it all the way. There it is, nice and hot, perfect. With it adjusted, we're gonna go ahead and replace our piece right here. And then we'll take our Allen wrench underneath and go ahead and tighten that up. Start to feel resistance, and that should be fine. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching the video. If it helped you out, I'd appreciate if you could drop me a like down below. And then if you want to see more DIY projects, like how I actually remodeled this bathroom into what you're seeing here, into what you're seeing now, I'd appreciate if you subscribe. It helps me out, and when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a nice giveaway. So if you want to be part of that, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.